Hello there, Escambia Public School teachers. Believe it or not, it's almost time to post your grades. And maybe you're thinking to yourself, I'm missing grades for students who've transferred into my class. Well, don't stress, because today it's a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team, and we're going over the Transfer Grades Report in focus. But first, an important warning. This transfer grade report will only show students' grades that have transferred within your school or within the Escambia County Public School system. So from your home screen, if you go to the sidebar menu and go to Reports, choose Grades, and then Gradebook Reports. When this new screen appears, you do have some different options on searching students. You could come up here to that top and type in the exact student's name. You could click the simple list, or you could click the customized list. You could come over here and choose the specific course that you want, but for my demonstration, I'm going to click Search All Sections. Clicking that search button brings up all of your students who have transfer grades. Choose the student, and then when this screen appears, you're going to choose the course that matches yours, and you're going to click on the teacher name in the center. Choosing this will bring up all of the assignments in that previous teacher's gradebook. If you look at the top, you're going to notice the categories and what those categories were weighted if the teacher chose to use weighted categories. And then this way you can seamlessly add grades to your gradebook. If at any time you'd like to go back to your search screen, go up to your student's name and click this icon. It's going to bring you back to your original screen. If you still have questions about procedures and protocol for transfer grades, be sure to contact your administration. And now you've looked at transfer grades in focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos that are here on the side and fill out our content form so we create videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.